In primetime news this evening, 8 new cases, 564 Jamaicans contract COVID-19, recoveries stand at 267. And more returnees, 2 ships in Falmouth, a third to come later this week, and airlift in the next 7 days bringing Jamaicans home.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what recommendations would you give for the resumption of tourism?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.